Now that we've got the hydraulic actuator operational, we want to start collecting some data. As we mentioned earlier, we have a zero function so that we can normalize all of our initial starting values. So I'm going to start off by zeroing our strain gauges, our potentiometer, and our load cell. This will be our zero value, so I'll put in a zero value of applied load. I will write this to file. I will select the name. And at this point, I will wait for a call out for the applied load and enter that in, then write data to each file.
Ready for 100 pounds?
Yes, ready for 100 pounds. So 100 pounds, as we see, there's a spike in both of the load cells as well as an increase in the strain measurement. Now that we have 100 pounds in play, I will write that into file and wait for 200 pound load.
200 pounds.
Okay, ready for 300?
300.
Ready for 400?
400.
Ready for 500?
500.
Ready for 600?
600.
Ready for 700?
700.
Ready for 800?
800.
Ready for 900?
900.
Ready for 1,000?
1,000.
Okay, so now we have our maximal load that's applied. We have 1,000 pounds. If you see the truss structure behind us, we have our maximum load, again 1,000 pounds, and visually examining it, we can see no signs of any type of deflection. Our displacement transducers also confirm that if we look at our displacement, we're getting displacements on the order of 1,000ths of an inch. So again, large applied load, but very minimal displacements present. At this point, we're going to go backwards through the same process, and instead of incrementing in 100 pounds of loading, we're going to have a decrease of 100 pounds till we get back to a zero value. At this point, I'm going to call for 900 pounds.
900.
Okay. 800.
800.
700.
700.
600.
600.
500.
500.
400.
400.
300.
300.
200.
200.
100.
100.
0.
Back to 0.
Okay, at this point we're back to 0. We've went from 0 to 1,000 pounds in increments of 100, and then we've unloaded in increments of 100 from 1,000 back down to 0. We've got all of our data written to the file, and with that, that concludes the Truss Lab experiment.